How to redeem Fortnite codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem a Fortnite code. For this, you want to open up any web browser and search for Fortnite. Then, from all the search results, click on the first one, which is Fortnite.com. Once you're here, make sure to log into your account using all of your credentials. Once you have been logged in, click on this profile icon. Then over here, you have different options such as account, redeem, V-Bucks card, connect accounts, and sign out. Click on the option of redeem. Once you are on this page, here you have a box where it says enter access code. You want to enter your 16-digit code over here. Once you enter the code, click on the option of redeem. If the code that you have entered is valid, it's going to say success. Your code has been successfully redeemed. Log into Fortnite or your game device to use your reward. Then you can simply play the game and use your reward. And this is how you can redeem a Fortnite code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.